Hi there, and welcome to January in the Creativity Box. So as you know, one of our 2026 focuses is implementing all the things that we're going to get in the membership. So I thought a great way to kickstart that new goal is to do kind of an unboxing of everything that you're getting in this month's Creativity Box. And I'm just going to try to go through it real quick, but this way you have kind of a quick view and you can see what you want to get started on first. So here we are on January. There is a reminder here about the marketplace event. I'm trying to gauge if there's enough interest. I would love to put this on at the end of this month, maybe the beginning of February. If you go over there, you can fill in for up to 3 products. They need to be $7 or less. All you need is either an Etsy shop sales page, or if you have a WooCommerce shop, wherever you have your product already set up, you're just going to share that information. And then if your product isn't already $7 or less, then you'll want to mark it down or create a coupon for it. But I'll let you know the dates in advance if we get enough interest, and you'll be able to set that up then. But if you can go over there and fill that out, that would be great. And then our main products for this month are our Read and Reflect mini kit and our garden log for kiddos. And I'll show those to you in just a minute. You also have the Cozy Corners clip art collection. You have the Natural Threads collection and the Muted Modern collection for digital papers. And this month I decided to give you both PNGs and JPEGs. Normally I just give PNGs, that's what I normally use. But I know a lot of you prefer JPEGs and they are smaller files. So I went ahead and gave you both of those. So hopefully that'll make life easier. You have your SEO pack for January. And then I have the mini templates here. If you're newer to the membership, mini templates are 1 to 3 page template products that I've been sharing. Now they're really a test thing in the membership, and I need to send out another survey to see how useful they are for you guys. Now I love them because I think it's a really great way to get a quick opt-in or a freebie for building your audience. I just think they're super useful, and they can also help you get an idea for a new product and kind of explode them into something bigger. But I really like the idea of having handy seasonally themed opt-ins that you can use. So for now, they're still here, but you do have 3 of those this month. And then I'll add any more private audios or videos that go in. Right now for the private podcast, we have the Welcome to 2026 audio, and then the first in our brand new series on growth, visibility, and capacity. And here it has all the information that if you were a member prior to 2026, you should have already received access to our private audio if you want to add it to your podcast app. If you don't, that's okay too. You can go into the dashboard and you can play it straight from inside of the Creativity Box dashboard. Now, if you're a newer member, welcome. You'll just need to send me an email because I do add people manually to the private audio. And again, I'll add any of the videos that are added right here. You'll be able to access them. And then I did want to call this out as well. We have a calendar in this membership. I believe most of y'all are aware of it and use it, but if you're newer, you may not, or you may have just missed it along the way. But this calendar is really more about what we've already done in the membership, not what's ahead. I know a lot of memberships have member calendars, but ours is really so you don't miss anything. So if you bookmark the calendar right here, you can check it at any time. And if I've sent out an email, you'll find the subject line there. So then you can just search your inbox rather than hoping you see things as they come in. And if I've added anything new to the dashboard, I'm also going to note it there. You'll also see inside of that calendar are all the important links that you may need on the spur of the moment. So links to the dashboard, to our frequently asked questions survey, anything like that that we have going on, it's going to be right in that calendar. So if you want to link to that, it is there. Now let's go over here super quick and just glance through our templates. We have the garden log for the kiddos. It's got grow your goals. We've got nice wide lines, so those early writers have plenty of room. We've got options for them to draw or write on some of these activities, the seed pack, and we've got a matching game. Then again, I'm just going through these super quick. I'm really high level. I'm not going to talk about all the different ways that we can customize them or repurpose them right now. I will create another video right after this one that's going to go through how I would start out my creation process this month, or how I am actually starting out my creative process this month with these templates. So that's where we'll kind of talk about what we could turn these into. And this is the Read and Reflect mini kit. So this particular planner kit isn't just for recording what they read, but it also has a whole section devoted to creative writing. Now you can divide this into 2 products if you want. You could have strictly a reading or literature journal and then an actual writing journal. But as you can see right here, we have 2 covers. This is more of the tracker side, the questions to ponder and reading analysis, so the things they read. This is our reader's guide, reading bingo, and bookmarks. And then here we start story prompts, where our user actually becomes the writer. And then we've got our mini templates. Nature Walk Observation Journal. It's a great one for elementary and middle school age, and really families as well could benefit from that one. We've got our spring reset. It's more like a goals sheet. And then we've got our mood and vision board. And over here, we're going to take a look really quick at our graphics. So we've got the Natural Threads collection. And then we have the Cozy Corners clip art. And here is our muted modern patterns. These are the more geometric ones that you received. Now I will be creating a video to show you how I am going to tackle customizing these templates, and I will be using our AI Studio. So keep in mind the AI Product Studio is a resource you have right inside of your members dashboard. And I will be adding more GPTs this year to the membership. I added a lot last year, but I'll be adding more this year. But this year I'm going to focus on digital product creation GPTs, ones that are very specific to your digital product creation business, that side of it. I know that a lot of times I've provided different GPTs, but some of them have been kind of more less related, a much broader range of business GPTs, but I'm going to try to focus it more into our creation ones. And so that'll be a lot of fun. So keep an eye out for that. Now, let me just show you where the AI Studio is. If you're newer to the membership, this is the dashboard when you log in, and you're going to go right here to the GPT suite, and you can click right here to our AI Product Studio. Now the most useful ones in terms of recreating the templates you get each month are going to be Template Innovator Izzy, Template Stylist Talia, Product Polisher Poppy, and then Paige right here is going to help you once you're ready to list it. Product Wizard Willow is great, but she's what's going to help you when you're starting from scratch. But of course, many of our products you may want to create supplementary products that are related to it but not identical. She can certainly help you with that. But that is it for this month in the membership in terms of our templates and our graphics, and I just wanted to walk you through them really quick. If you have any questions, drop me an email, and otherwise I'll be adding more videos like the walkthrough showing you how I'm going to use the GPTs to customize our templates. I'll see you in the next video.